Legendary recording engineer and mixing console designer Professor Malcolm Toft has created over 3.5 hours of easy-to-follow video tutorials covering some 25 different aspects of recording.
Today I'm going to talk about the equipment that you need to get into recording.
Malcolm engineered David Bowie's Space Oddity album, James Taylor's first album, and mixed the Beatles single Hey Jude among his many engineering credits.
Then we've got some nice acoustic guitar.
He was also Grammy Award-winning producer Tony Visconti's engineer for 3 years.
It was so nice to work with Malcolm Toft because he was open and would explain what he was doing. He gave me my very first lessons in what engineering entailed.
As a recording console designer, I founded Trident Audio Developments, which became a leading console manufacturer. So I have quite a mixed knowledge of both recording techniques and the technical side.
With a career of over 50 years in the recording industry, covering both the practical and technical side of the recording process, there's no one with more knowledge and experience of audio recording. But the basic techniques haven't changed.
I've put together approximately 25 tutorials that will take you through the different phases and steps that are involved in the recording process.
Malcolm shows you that you don't need to use expensive equipment to get great results.
You don't actually have to spend a great deal of money. The important thing is to spend the money in the right areas.
The emphasis in these tutorials is very much on technique rather than what equipment to use. He also explains some of the basic underlying electronic principles that underpin the recording process. Whether you're a complete beginner, student, or seasoned professional, these tutorials will give you the confidence to know that no matter what the situation or equipment you're using, you'll know enough of the basic principles to be able to get the best possible results.
And the purpose of this website is to impart that knowledge I've gained.
Remember, it's all in the name, allaboutrecording.com.